how we can set a custom alarm sound on an iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. But if you click on add alarm and you try to set it by picking up a song, you won't be able to do it from the library if you have simply downloaded it. So let me show you a complete process on how you can set a custom alarm on your iPhone. First of all, you need to have an audio file in order to choose it as an alarm sound. So I'll use pixabay.com. You can use any one that you like. And I just downloaded a song from here. You can save it to files and then exit out of here. And after that, you need to head over to Play Store and write an app called GarageBand. And it will show an icon like this one. You click on Get. Now it will ask for the verifications. Just verify your password on the Play Store and it will start installing. Now once it is downloaded, you just open that up, click on continue, allow, and just keep swiping towards right where you see audio recorded. From here, just click on that, click on allow, click on turn on monitoring if you want to. And on the top, you will see this bricks kind of icon, which is the third option from the left on the top. First we have the drop down, then we have the boxes kind of sign, then we have a brick kind of sign. Click on that. And from here, you will see an exclamation or blue kind of icon at the top. You click on that. Make sure that you turn it to white just by clicking on it once. And then you just click on the rope kind of icon on the top right hand corner with the gear icon just behind that. You will see this rope kind of icon. Click on that. You choose files. And from here, you will just browse items from the Files app. From here, this is my music. Choose that. And it will be shown right here. Just drag and drop to the main timeline. And once it opens up, make sure to bring it to the start. And from here, on the top left hand corner, you will see the drop down kind of arrow sign. You click on that and save it to My Songs. And now what we'll do is from the main screen, we will head over to the Files section. And under the Recents, you will see My Song here. You click on it once, hold on that click, and you get the share icon. And now just keep yourself within the GarageBand. You will see this section, click on Recents, and where you see My Song, just hold on to that, click on Share, and you click on Share a Song as Ringtone, and just edit the name to something like Summer Song. Click Export, and now it is exported as a ringtone. We will click OK, and now let's go to the Alarm app. Click on the alarms, click on the plus on the top right hand corner, set the alarm. You can set the repetitions, and under the sound you will choose the ringtones, and at the top you can see My Ringtone is added. You can choose that, and now it will be added as an alarm sound. So that's a very easy process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.